Yes, you've read the title correctly. I am about to have my boyfriend bleach my hair, and I am terrified. So right now, he just went to the hair store to grab some things that I need as far as the bleach, the solution, and everything else I would need. I am so nervous, y'all. All right, y'all, so we made it to the house, and I want to show y'all what I picked up. All right, so here we are. I picked up some Clairol bleach. It is dark to light. Then coming in with the Clairol Pure White 20 volume. And of course I gotta have some Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Cream Conditioner for the mix that we're gonna conjure up. So the young lady that helped me, she said I would need 2 of these. So he's working on one of them right now. I don't know why I need 2 because as y'all see, I'm kind of bald headed.
You should have got the
I got what Crystal told me to get. All right, so let's see what it's gonna do. So he already started because he's so hard-headed. He started without me. He already put the first pack of powder in there. So we're just gonna do the other one. Again, this is the Clairol Blue, and this is the bleach for dark to light. Now they told me to make sure that I make it thick like, not paste. They didn't say paste, but I guess thick as paste. They told me like pancake batter. So it's like make sure it's not watery so it can take and, you know, have the best results. And he's gonna mix. And I'm gonna put some conditioner in there as well. Mix it, boy. Don't be scared.
If I spill it, I'll spill it.
That's looking good.
No, let's do it more. That's you don't cut that right. You got enough of you.
Oh, you know what you're doing, huh?
I thought you was going to cut it and come back and be like, damn, that was mixed.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Look, he trying to be an executive producer, y'all. Tell him I got this.
Where?
What the fuck?
Oh, what you have on the bag for your hair?
Yeah.
You don't really need one.
Yes, I do. I need heat. Yo, so he think he's a specialist because his hair, was blonde, but it was orange. I'm not looking for orange. I'm looking for blonde.
I have more hair. Your hair is just got already got a heat. You don't want to process too much because you want a dark light tone, not light.
I want it light.
But you don't want it too light, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to achieve this.
That's when I edit the picture.
Yes, that's what I'm editing.
You don't put her face out of it after you put her face.
Yeah, I can put her face.
What you find you
Boy. So yeah, y'all. He's gonna start. I'm scared because let me tell y'all about that. He thinks he know everything and don't know S word, and that's kind of what y'all know. I am terrified right now. This is my first time ever going blonde. Make sure you get the top. I'm mad you gave me a widow's peak.
I got a widow's peak.
I know. That's what I was gonna say. You putting it up like you put your own. Yeah, you see how it's dark right there? I need all that. Thank you.
I'm going like, let's get this.
Oh, you can't see. I got my head down. part. Get me right there. Thank you. Well, I just told you they're gonna process faster. What about it? Oh, that's right. Ooh. So the only thing is I forgot again to get a shower cap, so I'm gonna use a bite. Y'all know how we do. This ain't nothing new. Then I used a bag on my last video when I had my hair. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh no. Oh my gosh. Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? All right, y'all, so here I am once again trying something new. The reason I'm dyeing my hair is because I wanted a new look for my birthday this weekend. And y'all know I recently did red. I did the ginger during the fall. And this year I want to do blonde. So that is the reason behind me bleaching my hair. And for all those people that, you know, stay natural, brother, don't do that to your hair. It's my hair, okay? It'll grow back. It's my hair. I got this. Love you. Bye. So it's been a total of 20 minutes. I actually did 15 originally, but then I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna let it sit a little longer. I see a little bit. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Like, what the hell? Calm down, Ryan. Calm down. Yeah, my hair is definitely blonde. It's blonde, y'all. So let me go ahead. You know I'm filming. You know I'm filming. You know I'm filming. So let me go ahead and wash this out and let's see the results. There it is. Yeah. Right now I just have some Cantu on it just so I can lock in some moisture. And I'm gonna put another bag over my head. Pause. I'm gonna put another bag over my head so it could, you know, do its thing. I'm gonna have it in for at least 30 minutes. The same process that I did when I bleached and dyed my hair during the fall, when I did the ginger. Well, technically it was called a Cajun spice. That was the name of the color, but it's the same process, y'all.
What's Cajun?
Whatever. I'm a spicy girl. But y'all, he's trying to get me to do my eyebrows as well, but I always like the whole blonde with, you know, like your black facial hair like that. That's sexy to me. So it'll be 10 times better once I actually get my hair cut. I booked my appointment earlier today, early this morning, probably like 6 o'clock. He told me to come in at 10 tomorrow morning. So I will be there or be square. Besties, it is the next day and I'm ready to reveal my hair. But before I reveal my haircut, I want to share some steps that I've done off camera as soon as I got home, just so I can make sure that my hair turned out exactly the way I wanted it. So let me share those things with you. So remember, during the last clip, I had that Cantu moisturizer in my hair, right? That was the conditioner. So I came home immediately after I applied that conditioner in my hair, just so I can make it home in time to put in this right here. This right here, y'all, is the Blonde and Silver shampoo. It is for blonde and silver hair. Y'all, this shampoo really saved me. As y'all see that it is a Equate brand, so that means I got it from Walmart. I'm sure you can get it from any beauty supply store, Walmart, wherever you shop. I don't know, but this came from Walmart. Anyway, this really helped because I truly felt like my hair was on the orange side. Like, it wasn't giving blonde to me. Over the camera it may did, but it was just a little too dark for me. So this right here is a toner. I added this toner to make sure that everything will be nice and shiny, and I have the results. exactly the way I wanted it. So I shampooed with this, rinsed it out, and repeat. Then I came in with this Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask. The ingredients inside this bad boy is raw shea butter, sea kelp, and argan oil. So this bad boy right here, kind of like the same concept that I had when I put the can 2 in my hair. It was to keep my hair moist. Because you know, once you bleach your hair, it strips away a lot of the natural oils in your hair, and it tends to dry up and it can get very brittle and stiff, which tends to make your hair fall out. So I make sure I keep these products at hand when I am doing something to my hair, because I'm new to the game. And you know, I've been doing pretty good. We've been doing pretty good when we touch our dome, all right? But yes, you leave this in for 30 minutes and then you wash it out. Once I drop my hair with a towel, I came in with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. This is how it look right here, if y'all can see. I use this all the time. All right, so that is what I did as soon as I got home. And today I went and got my hair cut, and here are the final results. Here we go, y'all. I am absolutely in love with my haircut, okay? I need to brush it a little bit because I did have my little do-rag on. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did me and Bae do a good job or what? All I know is, whatever you think, I love it. I'm very satisfied with the results, and everything turned out great. So that concludes today's video. I thank y'all so much for watching. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new here, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when your BANGEE posts another VEO. I love y'all, and I will see y'all on the next vlog. Bye.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker. She picture